These are hands down the best open earbuds that I've ever used. You won't believe how good these actually are. Of course, I'm back in Tokyo to partner with Shokz to tell you all about my experience with the new Shokz Open Fit Pro. In every way, these have been supercharged to address some of the potential downsides of true wireless open earbuds. I've been testing these for the last few weeks, and of course I'll give you a comparison with last year's model to tell you everything that's new. I can't wait to tell you all about them, but first, let's do the unboxing. I think the best way to show you what's new is to compare the fresh Shokz Open Fit Pro versus the previous generation. First is the design. They are very similar overall, but you can see the difference in the drivers, and we'll get to that in just a little bit. But the comfort is great on both because of the Shokz Ultra Soft Silicone 2.0, both very flexible and soft, so wearing either one of these for an extended period of time is no problem. There was a refresh last year of the Open Fit 2 called the Open Fit 2 Plus, which added Dolby Atmos audio and wireless charging to the case, so I'm happy to let you know that the Open Fit Pro has both of these along with USB-C charging, which is great. So let's do a quick side-by-side comparison here. The first major change is that the Open Fit Pro get improvements to the battery and charging. The Open Fit Pro have 12 hours of battery on a single charge with 50 hours of total battery life with the case. That is 1 hour longer battery life on the buds themselves and a 2-hour increase with the case, which is nice. I've been in Tokyo for a week and I haven't charged these yet, so the battery life is legit. When it comes to charging, 10 minutes plugged in got you 2 hours of playback on the Open Fit 2, but with the Open Fit Pro, you get double the playback at 4 hours with just a 10-minute charge, which is incredible. The second major thing is that the Open Fit Pro finally gets wear detection. That was one of the things that I really wanted on the Open Fit 2, but now you can take your earbuds out and it will pause what you're listening to, put them back on, and it'll start playing again. So Shokz listened and implemented that, which I really appreciate. Bluetooth has been updated from 5.4 to 6.1 on the Open Fit Pro, but both have multi-point connections so you can use them with more than one device and switch in between them. Both have IP55 sweat and rain resistance, so you're good to work out as hard as you want in these. But the biggest improvement is in the sound and the microphones, and these are the reasons why you're going to want to buy these. First, let's talk about the sound. I was absolutely blown away when I first put these in my ears because right away you're going to notice a massive improvement in the bass. The Open Fit 2 had a big leap in bass from the previous generation too, but trust me, the jump was nearly so big, I couldn't believe it. The bass, you can literally feel it vibrating your ears. This new dual diaphragm design with larger 11 by 20mm drivers really makes a difference, so these are the first pair of open design earbuds that I can use on a daily basis for everything, not just for working out. The highs are also crisp and they sound balanced overall. I wouldn't say they're quite up to the in-ear bud sound signature, but this is the closest that I've ever tested on a design like this. I'm serious. You are not going to be disappointed. The greatest thing about the open ear designs like the Shokz Open Fit Pro is that you're getting all of the sounds from the natural environment. When I'm working, I like to listen to music in the background, but I want to be aware of my surroundings just in case my kids decide to act up. In a city like Tokyo, you walk a lot. I mean a lot. And I absolutely love the ambient sounds from the city. It's almost like a soundtrack on its own, so I want that to come through even though I'm catching up on a lot of new release albums right now. It was a great year for music. And because of this soft ear hook design, I can wear these all day and not even feel them on, so this was always the reason to own a pair of Shokz Open Fits. When I travel to new cities, I like to be aware so I don't miss important announcements, and I just feel like it's so much safer this way. But this year, Shokz took it to the next level. You're gonna like this. On the new Open Fit Pro, there are 3 separate microphones, 2 feed-forward mics, and a feedback mic, and all of these work together to give you a noise reduction feature. You can control the amount of noise reduction in the app, and you can activate this feature with the physical button that is at the top. And this is best described as just the right amount of active noise cancellation. I tested these while working at a coffee shop, and when you listen to the effect with the music off, you can tell that it's reducing the background ambient noise, but I can still hear the vocals of the music that was playing in the background, so it's nowhere near as aggressive as what ANC would be. But when you have the music volume past 50%, that combination is where the magic happens. This combined effect isolates the music and cuts down the background chatter to where the sound is the focus, and it works really well. This feature alone makes the Shokz Open Fit Pro a daily driver for me because it's just enough noise reduction to not miss my earbuds with ANC. Health has been a missed journey for me in 2025, so I'm working to improve that in the new year, and these will be a core staple in my workout routine. When working out at the hotel gym, activating the noise reduction feature gave me just enough focus that I was able to dial in. The sound of the machines and weights were toned down perfectly, and I was impressed with the performance. And it doesn't give me any type of pressure or weird feeling in my ears, but don't get me wrong, this will not replace your ANC earbuds or your ANC cans, especially if you travel a lot. But this technology is really impressive, so I think you'll find that this completes the entire user experience, and you will get 6 hours on a single charge with this feature on, which is in line with most of the earbuds out there with ANC. The fit has always worked for me, but not all ears are created equal, so I really appreciate the inclusion of these stabilizers for different size ears. They're super strong with titanium enhancement on one end, but soft on the other, and they will help you keep these even more stable if you're a runner and if you had any problems in the past with the fit. This should help a lot. I did wear them a few days with the stabilizers, but I found that I didn't need them at all. Of course, with this extra microphone, I had to test the phone call quality, so this will give you an idea of what the microphone sounds like while you're on a call.
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes.
How does my voice sound?
Really clear. That's good.
Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of people out here in Shinjuku, so I just wanted to see what the voice call quality would be like out here. So
All right, I'm gonna come and find you.
this place is super busy.
Okay,
So,
we're at the Family Mart, of course.
of course, as usual. Okay, I'll see you in a minute.
All right.
Okay, so let's take a look at the app and the software before we wrap up. You get a lot of customization here. First is noise control with open mode and noise reduction mode. You can switch in between them in the app. There is a toggle here for Dolby Atmos if you want it on, and you can enable head tracking too if you want that immersive experience. The EQ modes are here, so you can switch to the preset ones for your sound preference, and you also get private mode here, so this will help minimize any audio spills, so you can use this if you're in a quiet environment. Or you have access to a full custom EQ, so you can tweak the sound to your heart's content, which I appreciate. Multi-point pairing option is here as well if you want to connect to multiple devices and switch in between them. There is a Find My Earbuds feature where it will ping your earbuds, and this is what it sounds like. If you don't like smart wear detection, you can toggle it on and off here. You can check if you're on the latest software right here to upgrade the firmware, and most importantly, you can customize your controls. So by default, you click on the physical button once to pause or play your music, you double click for next, triple tap for previous, press and hold to activate or deactivate noise control, and a single click and a long press for volume up or down. I have my volume up set for the right side and my volume down for the left side, and it does take a little bit of time to get used to it, but now I have it down. So that is the new Shokz Open Fit Pro. Pretty much everything is better than the previous generations. I think there are two major reasons to upgrade, and that is the improvement in sound and bass and noise control. And if you don't have any open ear earbuds yet and you're looking for some, then I would go buy these right now. And then when you do, make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me how impressed you are. They're available for pre-order now for $249.95, and the official sale starts January 13th. They're available in black and white. I'll leave some links down below for you to grab them. They will be available on Shokz.com, Best Buy, Amazon, and other channels, so make sure you check with your favorite retailer. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of these, and if you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. It's time for me to fly back to the US and hit the floor at CES 2026. I'll see you there.